Welcome back, or welcome if you're new to my channel. Today, you guys, I'm going to be using these 3-in-1 soft gel tips that I got from Temu. If you have not seen that video, please stop this video now and go back and watch that video. Otherwise, this is going to be everything that I'm going to use. It's going to be proper nail preparation with this video. Usually I do the pop-off method, but this time I want these nails to last a little bit longer. Maybe not a full 3 weeks, but at least a week, you guys. I will be using 2 different stickers. I got some butterfly stickers and some cute little spring flower stickers that I'm going to try. Towards the end, we're going to decide if I'm going to have these matte or shiny, and we all know what the choice was by the picture on the thumbnail. But otherwise, you guys, I'm not going to do too much talking. I'm going to show you all the products, and I'm going to just let you watch me work. I do set a clock in here so you can see that it only took me 37 minutes to get a full manicure on both hands. So I'm talking about the French tips applied, and if you wanted to just go on about your day with just top coat, 37 minutes, and that's not bad. Now applying the butterflies and the flower stickers, that took a little bit more time, but not much time at all. When I tell you these are the go-to beginner friendly French tips, they are. So you guys, I'm not going to do too much more talking. Remember, all links are down below. Also, this is not a sponsored video. I purchased all these items with my own money. Now, I do have affiliate links below, so if you do click those and you do make a purchase, I will get a small commission off of those purchases. Now, I will hop off and let you just watch me work with putting these tips on. So basically you're now done. You will just take some top coat and top coat your nails and you will be all done to go. And we did this in under 38 minutes, you guys. This is the most easiest French nail design I have ever done. But if you know me, you know I gotta be extra, so I am going to go in with some spring flower stickers as well as some butterfly stickers, and I am going to see what shiny top coat look like and what a matte top coat will look like.